Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Asterisk if the gravy is not getting as thick as you'd like. Whisk together 2 teaspoons of cornstarch and 2 teaspoons of water in a small cup. Drizzle the mixture into the gravy and stir. Cook for 3 to 5 minutes until the gravy has thickened. 3 November 2017.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Cornstarch or arrowroot. Cornstarch and arrowroot are gluten-free alternatives to thickening with flour. They'll also keep your sauce clear and cloud-free. You'll need about 1 tablespoon for every cup of liquid in the recipe. Mix the cornstarch with equal parts water to create a slurry and pour it into the pot. 9 April 2019.
Let's help you make your mark.
How to thicken gravy. If your homemade sausage gravy isn't thick enough, whisk in an additional 1/2 tablespoon of Bisquick at a time. Give it a minute or so between additions so the gravy has time to thicken up.
Take our lead.
Typically, gravy is thickened with either cornstarch or flour. Both have their pros and cons. Cornstarch is easy as it doesn't clump when it hits hot liquid. But you have to be careful, because cornstarch will thicken over the course of a few minutes, and if you add too much, you will end up with gel-style gravy. 5 September 2019.
Let's help you make your mark.
The gravy is too thin. Simmer the gravy until it reduces and thickens, which might take an hour or more. If that doesn't work, or you don't have time, thicken the gravy with a cornstarch slurry, which you make by whisking 1 tablespoon of cornstarch into 1 tablespoon of cold water in a small bowl until smooth. 20 November 2018.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.